How did you guys build out this, like, what it sounds like great communication levels to support this incredible flexibility?
Like most, you learn through, stubbing your toe a bunch of times, right? We've had decades and decades to try and revise our processes and try and go from, minimize the reactive culture and maximize the proactive culture. There's always been a strong desire to get, more proactive than reactive, but the ability to do it has changed drastically in the last, I'd say 20, 30 years, because software capabilities have changed our ability to communicate. Bureaucracies have been streamlined a bit to accelerate processes. We've had a very robust support network invested in outside of the assets. So that's, organizational investment. In the military, that means congressional, you have to spend a lot of time to get that type of stuff attached to the acquisition or retroactively implemented for in-service assets later. You have to really become a master of tying the strategic value of an asset. And in this case, it's usually to the national strategic interests, right? In a corporate organization type, it would be more toward like production. But you find a way to tie all of this support network that you're trying to put in place and the streamlining and continuous improvement to better meeting those targets and goals. And hopefully you can get those things in place. But we've had decades to do that. Now, on the flip side, there is a lot of bureaucracy because there's different levels of accountability and funding is different and action is different. I can't just stroke a check and start a contract tomorrow. The government's got really strong regulations, rules, policies on how you spend your money, how you establish service contracts, how you shop. So, there's a lot of those types of barriers to success that actually require more support infrastructure to overcome and manage. So you get big real fast doing that.